What's up, beautiful people? It's Tashima here, bringing you everything that you're going to need to be able to start a successful business. Using my accounting and tax background, I'm helping you in every area, plus my experience as an entrepreneur myself. I know the things that you need to do in order to escape your corporate job and get some real money in entrepreneurship. Okay, so I want to make sure that you are always on the right track. Be sure, if you have not already, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to like, and if you have questions, if you want more, drop that in the comments so that I can provide. But I want to start off by saying, to those of you who are new, I mean business. So if you are serious about becoming an entrepreneur, there are things that I'm going to tell you in my video that are not just for you to listen to. It's for you to actually act on. All right, let's go. Starting now, I want you to always know that when you start a business, when you're in business, your business and yourself are two separate entities. They are two different things. KSK Tax and Accounting Solutions pays me, and that is it. That is it. The money that's in that bank account is not just my money. You understand? You want to have that mind frame when you're coming into business, especially if you have not started yet. A lot of entrepreneurs, and I see this every tax season, a lot of entrepreneurs use their personal debit card, their business debit card for their personal expenses. That is wrong. So be sure that you are keeping a mindset of, even though this is my business, this is a separate entity from who I am and from what I need. So start off, keep separate accounts, keep separate bank accounts. From the moment you decide, hey, I'm about to go ahead, jump off in this world of entrepreneurship, and I know I need this for my business, I need this for my business, get a business bank account, and not just a checking account. Be sure to get a business checking and savings account and keep them completely separate. Let me tell you all, from a tax standpoint, when you go and you're using your business card for your personal expenses and personal income or whatever the case may be, and on the other side of that, you're using your personal card for your business expenses and business income, the IRS frowns upon that. They consider that commingling funds, and that is not a good look. You are asking for a one-way ticket to being audited, and I'm trying to tell you all and give you all the game for free. Do not commingle funds. Keep everything separate. Now, one of the things that you can do to kind of help with this a lot is pay yourself a reasonable salary. Give yourself enough money that you'll be able to pay for your expenses, your necessities, or and even more than that, the things that you actually want. Give yourself a little cushion money, a little spending money, but give yourself a reasonable salary. So what I like to tell people who are just starting out into entrepreneurship and, they're trying to be consistent with this. Let's just say, for example, you were making $800 a week and you were getting paid weekly. If you can match that in your new business, match it. That way you're not having to, get uncomfortable with this new spending schedule that you have, or this new salary schedule that you have. Match it if you can. And if you know that you do better, I only need to be paid once a month, because if not, I'm going to spend it. Pay yourself once a month. If you know you do better getting paid bi-weekly, pay yourself bi-weekly. But starting off, make sure that you give yourself a reasonable salary so that you are not having to dib and dab into your business account. Like, that's the worst thing you can do. And I promise you, if you start by paying yourself the right way in the beginning, that will eliminate your need or that urge to tap into your business account. Now, you all may not want to hear this, but the reality of it is you need to do bookkeeping for your business. That is so important. This is going to do multiple things for you. It'll tell you exactly what you're spending most of your money on, and you'll be able to see where you need to put more money into. Maybe you need to push more money into marketing. Maybe you need to push more money into some of the subscriptions that you may have. Whatever the case may be, you doing your bookkeeping will give you an overview of your business so that you can see what's actually happening from a financial standpoint. This is the sad part about small businesses, especially in this day and age. we make the money, and let me not say we. Y'all make the money and don't keep or multiply the money. And that has become our biggest downfall. You want to make sure that when you are starting a business, okay, you're making the money. Okay, you don't reach your 6-figure goal. What else should you be doing? Like I said, make sure you're paying yourself a reasonable salary, keeping your business and your personal expenses completely separate. And you just want to ensure that you're investing back into your business. But again, this is not something you can always see or know how to do if you're not able to generate financial reports every month. So one of the most common reports, and I have another video on this so you can check it out down below in the comments, but one of the most common reports that you need to know, and I'm just going to tell you one, your profit and loss statement. You want to make sure you can understand what is happening financially with your business, and this will help you when it comes time to keeping your income from your business or any personal income that you may have. It will help to keep those things separate. So if you're finding yourself, let's just say you're already starting your business and you know for a fact you have swiped that business card for something personal. You know for a fact you was up in the hookah, you was up in there getting a hookah in the club and you used your business card. You know for a fact you done spent some of that business money on groceries. Let this just be a fair warning to you. Not only are you're not doing good business, but you're going to hurt yourself in the end. You're going to hurt yourself and you're going to hurt your business in the end. You want to make sure you are not commingling those funds. Keep everything separate. Keep everything separate. And it may require you to have a little discipline and say, hey, I done spent all the money. I done paid myself this week. So now I got to wait. Whatever it takes. But if you can do that, you will start to see your income from your business grow, and you'll be able to start reinvesting back into your business, and you'll be able to start multiplying your money. And that ultimately is the goal. So once again, it's Tashima. I want you to be sure to keep everything separate. You and your business are two separate entities, and that's what I want you to leave with. So if you are going to keep things separate, drop it in the comments below and say separate it, because at this point in time, your business income and your personal income needs to be separated. All right, guys, check out whatever YouTube is going to offer you next and my playlist on money in business so that you can continue to grow your business and increase the income in your business and ultimately make more money. All right, see you all next week.